in this video, we're going to talk about Linux command. So ls-R, it lets you search through directories recursively. So instead of going to each directory individually and seeing the contents, you can do ls-R, and you can actually see the contents uh, of what's in every folder. Another command I want to go over with you is grep. So grep is a way to search for strings or information in a file or folder or anywhere in your Linux system. So you can actually go grep and then the word or the phrase you're looking for, and you can specify the file that you want to check it in or directory. And here I'll say grep python and steps. And as you can see, it pulled where it only has Python mentioned in that text file once. Now, if I would have did grep capital P for Python and steps, it won't find anything. But I can actually do dash lowercase I. So that way it's, it can be uppercase or lowercase. It'll search both.